Welcome to this Getting Started guide to fixing and speeding up Excel files using the Airt Add-in. You can try this feature whenever you have a slow running Excel file. Perhaps you get an error message that Excel is out of memory, or maybe your file tries to link to external spreadsheets despite your efforts to delete all relevant links. The add-in attempts to fix the typical problems that cause Excel files to run slowly. You can see at the moment that this file is over 5 megabytes. I know this file was used repeatedly for several years. Data has been pasted to the file monthly over that time, so the problems that cause Excel files to run slowly are present. There are several problems we can see here. On this sheet, if we press Ctrl End, the active cell jumps to the final row in the sheet. Secondly, if we look at the Home ribbon under Styles, there are many styles here, which can cause the file to run slowly. Finally, if we go to the Formulas ribbon and check the Name Manager, there are many named ranges here, and a lot of these refer to external workbooks, where I know this file shouldn't have any external links. Let's look at fixing all of these issues one at a time using the Airt add-in. If we click on Airt and Fix, select our slow running file, and firstly we'll try to fix the used range. Now when we click Ctrl End in this first sheet, the active cell just goes to K18, which is what we'd usually expect. Okay, let's try and remove styles that aren't required by the workbook. Again, we'll select our file, click Remove Unused Formats. Okay, that took over 5 minutes to run, but you can see the Airt add-in has confirmed 30,000 styles were deleted. Click the styles drop down. We should see significantly less styles here. Okay, any ones that are remaining are currently being used by the spreadsheet. Finally, let's delete those named ranges. So remove any ones that are producing errors or any ones that refer to external spreadsheets. We'll click OK. And 1,000 name ranges were deleted. Let me save again. So we should be able to see the file size has reduced. And you can see we're now at 3 megabytes rather than over 5. Thanks for watching. Please check out our other videos and download the free trial of Airt Magic if you haven't already done so.